Alright, this is my Smurf account. So, my name is here is Tayuna. So, you see, I'm Legend 2 and 3 star. So, I'm stock my main account. So, that is Legend 2. So, I'm stock above. So here. So, this is me. The name is I'm stock. This stock ko to. So ako po to yung sa mythical glory 7 star, pero kaso 79 credit na lang hindi ko malaruan kasi naman na signal biglang wala yung signal. 7 star yan, kaya nilaruan lang yung main Smurf account ko na tayo. So, ito yung sa main account ko. At ito naman yung sa Smurf account ko na tayo.